Hello and welcome to Easy Job English. Are you often lost for words when speaking English in a professional setting? Don't worry. In today's video, we're unlocking 20 essential office English phrases that every employee must know to communicate effectively and professionally.
Mastering these phrases is your foundation for successful daily interactions at work, from making simple requests to participating confidently in meetings. Let's dive right in and start upgrading your workplace vocabulary.
Phrase 1. Could you please? This is the most polite way to make a request.
Example 1. Could you please send me the finalized report by the end of the day?
Example 2. Could you please help me troubleshoot this software issue?
Example 3. Could you clarify the deadline for this assignment?
Phrase 2. I'll get right on it. This shows immediate commitment and responsibility.
Example 1. Please review this document.
Understood. I'll get right on it.
Example 2. The client is waiting for the quote.
No problem. I'll get right on it.
Example 3. Can you prepare the slides for the meeting?
Yes, I'll get right on it. Phrase 3. Let me double check. Use this when you need to confirm information before responding.
Example 1. Are we meeting in conference room B?
I'm not sure. Let me double check the calendar. Example 2. Is this the correct version of the contract?
Let me double check the file against the original.
Example 3. I can't recall the exact number. Let me double check the statistics.
Phrase 4. Keep me in the loop. An important phrase for project management and staying informed.
Example 1. Please keep me in the loop about the hiring process.
Example 2. Since I'm the team lead, make sure to keep me in the loop on all major decisions.
Example 3. The vendor is negotiating. Please keep me in the loop about the final price. Phrase 5. I'm afraid I can't. A polite and professional way to decline a request or state an inability.
Example 1. Are you free this afternoon?
I'm afraid I can't. I have another commitment. Example 2. I'm afraid I can't access that system without the administrator password.
Example 3. I'm afraid I can't approve that budget increase at the moment.
Phrase 6. What's your take on this? A great way to ask for an opinion or perspective.
Example 1. We need a new strategy. What's your take on this proposal?
Example 2. After reviewing the data, what's your take on this unexpected result?
Example 3. It's a difficult decision. What's your take on the pros and cons?
Phrase 7. I'd like to propose. Use this when formally suggesting an idea or plan.
Example 1. I'd like to propose we switch to a new project management tool.
Example 2. For better results, I'd like to propose a complete restructuring of the workflow.
Example 3. I'd like to propose that we schedule all meetings for Tuesday mornings.
Phrase 8. Let's touch base later. A common phrase for scheduling a follow-up conversation.
Example 1. I'm busy now. Let's touch base later this afternoon to discuss the details.
Example 2. I need to prepare more data. Let's touch base again on Thursday.
Example 3. I will send you the draft, then let's touch base after you've had time to review it.
Phrase 9. I'll get back to you. Use this when you need time to find information or provide a full answer.
Example 1. I don't have the figures right now, but I'll get back to you with an update by noon.
Example 2. I need to check with the finance department first. I'll get back to you shortly.
Example 3. That's a complex question. I'll research it and get back to you next week.
Phrase 12. By when do you need it? Always clarify the deadline to manage expectations effectively.
Example 1. I need the first section of the proposal completed.
Sure. By when do you need it?
Example 2. I can finish this today. By when do you need it submitted to the client?
Example 3. To prioritize correctly, I need to know. By when do you need it? Phrase 11. Could you elaborate on that? A crucial phrase for seeking more detail and avoiding assumptions.
Example 1. Your idea sounds interesting. Could you elaborate on that point for the team?
Example 2. I'm not following your reasoning. Could you elaborate on that particular step?
Example 3. Before we agree, could you elaborate on the potential risks of this option?
Phrase 12. I apologize for the inconvenience. The standard way to apologize professionally in business.
Example 1. We are having technical issues. I apologize for the inconvenience.
Example 2. I apologize for the inconvenience caused by the unexpected delay.
Example 3. We have overbooked the room. I apologize for the inconvenience and will find another space immediately.
Phrase 15. I'm tied up at the moment. A clear, professional way to say you are busy.
Example 1. Can we chat? I'm tied up at the moment, but I'll be free in 15 minutes.
Example 2. I can't take on another assignment right now. I'm tied up at the moment with the quarterly report.
Example 3. Please call back later. The manager is tied up at the moment.
Phrase 16. Could you clarify? Similar to elaborate, but specifically asks for a clearer explanation.
Example 1. I'm confused about the instructions. Could you clarify what the main goal is?
Example 2. The chart is hard to read. Could you clarify these data points?
Example 3. Could you clarify which team member is responsible for the follow-up?
Phrase 17. I'll take care of it. Taking ownership of a task or problem.
Example 1. Don't worry about the booking issue. I'll take care of it immediately.
Example 2. Who is doing the proofreading? Don't worry, I'll take care of it.
Example 3. I'll take care of the equipment setup before the presentation begins.
Phrase 18. How may I help you? The perfect, polite opening phrase in customer or internal service.
Example 1. Good morning, blank company name. How may I help you?
Example 2. I see you're looking for something. How may I help you today?
Example 3. I noticed the lights were off. How may I help you get set up?
Phrase 19. Let's move forward with use to indicate a decision has been made and the next step is implementation.
Example 1. After considering all options, let's move forward with the initial plan.
Example 2. The board has approved the proposal, so let's move forward with the execution phase.
Example 3. We are running out of time. Let's move forward with option A and reevaluate later.
Phrase 20. I'm on it. A succinct and informal way to confirm you are actively working on a task.
Example 1. Where is the budget spreadsheet? I'm on it. I'll send it in 5 minutes.
Example 2. Can you prepare a summary of last month's sales?
Yes, I'm on it now.
Example 3. The client's email needs a reply.
Don't worry, I'm on it.
That concludes our 20 essential phrases. Remember, speaking professionally is about being clear, concise, and polite. Practice these every day to make them a natural part of your professional vocabulary. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with your colleagues, and subscribe to Easy Job English for more specialized English lessons.
And now for our interaction question. Out of these 20 phrases, which one do you think you will start using tomorrow to sound more professional? Let us know your answer and why in the comments below. We love reading your insights. Thank you for learning with us today. See you in the next video.